Hello and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online. In this video, we'll talk about Fiverr success, which is something that a lot of people are interested in. We have some great tips and tricks to help you do well on this popular site, whether you're just starting out as a freelancer or want to take your skills to the next level. Number one, a quick look at Fiverr. Let's begin by giving those who may not know much about Fiverr a quick rundown of the site. Fiverr is an online marketplace where people from all over the world can buy and sell independent services. People can use this site to sell their skills and knowledge. It's famous for having a wide range of areas such as writing, design, digital marketing, and more. Choose your niche. One of the first things you need to do to be successful on Fiverr is to pick a topic. You should pick an area or service that you're really interested in and good at. What makes you different from the others? What is your unique selling point? The best thing you can do is research. Look around the market, look at the gigs that are doing their best, and find out what people want. Make sure that your services fit those wants and help people with certain issues. Making your gig look good. Once you've chosen your area, it's time to make a gig that people will want to buy. Make your gig count because it's basically your sales pitch to people who might hire you. Start by giving your service a catchy title and make it clear what it is. Show off your work and highlight with high quality photos and possibly some video. In a detailed description, you should talk about the benefits of your service that include any qualifications or experiences that you have. Pricing your services is an important part of being successful on Fiverr. It may be tempting to lower your prices than your competitors, but remember that good work should be paid fairly. You might want to start by offering reasonable prices. Then, as you gain credibility, gather good reviews, slowly rise your prices to show that you are more skilled. Giving great customer service. If you want to do well on Fiverr, you must give great customer service. Talking is very important. Quickly answering questions and keeping your clients updated throughout the process is critical. Always get things done by the due date and try to go above and beyond what your clients expect. Customers who are pleased with your work will leave reviews, which can have a significant effect on your Fiverr score. What reviews are important? Reviews are critical to your Fiverr success. Good reviews not only make you seem more trustworthy, but they also get you more customers. Don't be afraid to nicely ask happy customers for reviews. Put these reviews in a visible place on your profile to help potential clients see and read them so they can begin to trust you. Promote your Fiverr job. Promoting your services can help you stand out along with making your profile and gigs better. You can get the word out about your Fiverr gigs on social media, your website, or other websites. You can also buy Fiverr's own promotional tools like Fiverr Pro or Fiverr Promoted Gigs to get more people to see your gigs. Managing your workflow. As your Fiverr business grows, it's important to make sure you can handle your workflow well. Use methods and tools to keep track of orders, due dates, and conversations with clients. Managing your time and staying organized are key to making sure you can handle any tasks at once without sacrificing quality. Programs like Trello can be very helpful with keeping track of all of this information, and it's free to use. How to deal with problems. Being successful on Fiverr comes with some problems. You might have problems with clients or have setbacks from time to time. Remember that it's important to be professional and always find peaceful resolutions to your problems. There is a settlement center on Fiverr that can also help settle disagreements when and if they happen. Staying up to date. Things are always changing in the independent world. To keep your Fiverr business going strong, keep up with changes in the industry and keep getting better. Keep in mind that you won't become famous on Fiverr fast. It takes commitment, hard work, and a commitment to getting better with your skills and abilities. If you are new or have an interest you want to learn more about, you might want to take appropriate courses and certification classes to improve your skills and give your clients better services. Well, I hope this video provides you with value and inspires you to take a chance on starting your own journey towards financial success by potentially making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.